Hi there, today we're learning about present simple passive voice with easy English at home. Check this out.
Remember, we use passive voice for two reasons. Either to emphasize the action or when we don't want to mention the person doing the action. So let's have a look at these examples and this time focus on present simple passive voice, okay? A lot of people speak English around the world. This is an example of an active sentence. Because I start the sentence with the person or with the people doing it. A lot of people, what do? They speak English. So the object here is English. What do they speak? English. So I need to start my sentence with the object, remember? So let's say English. English is, I need to write the past participle form of the verb here too. English is spoken. So speak, spoke, spoken. English is spoken, around the world. Yes, around the world. Nice. If I want to mention the people doing it, then I can say English is spoken around the world by a lot of people. That's also possible. Okay, another example here we have is this. Millions of tourists visit Italy and Spain every year. So, the tourists, what do? They visit Italy and Spain. So visit where or visit what? Italy and Spain. So this is the object of the sentence. If we want to form a passive voice, then we need to start with the object, remember? So we need to say Italy and Spain. Yes, Italy and Spain are visited, yes, by millions of tourists every year, okay? Here is the other example. Several students ask me questions every day. So where is the object here? We have the verb ask. Ask me, yes? So this is the object. If I want to start with this, I need to say I, not me, okay? So I, but this time it is the object, don't forget. I am asked, okay? I am asked what? Yes? Lots of questions or questions by several students every day. By several students every day. So, in these three examples, we formed present simple passive voice structures, okay? And in each example, I used a different auxiliary. Look, is, are, or am. So, if I want to come up with the rule of present simple passive, I need to write this. We have the object, as usual. Depending on the object, you either start or continue your sentence with am, is, or are. Then you have the past participle form of the verb, as usual. Okay? Past participle. Okay? Then what comes next? If I want to mention the person doing it, by agent. I continue like that. If I want to negate it, simply I say not, am not, isn't, or aren't. If I want to ask a question, then I start with the auxiliary, okay? Am I asked questions? Yes. Or are they visited? Yes. Or I can say, is it spoken around the world? Yes. Is English spoken widely around the world? Yes. Cool. Around the world. I can say yes it is or no it isn't. Let's have a look at today's keywords and phrases. We learned how to form present simple passive voice. Here is the rule. You start a sentence with the object, then you add am, is, are, then the past participle form of the verb follows. If you want to mention the person, then you need to say by, then the agent comes. If you want to negate it, then you say am not, isn't, or aren't. If you want to form a question, then you need to start with the auxiliary am, is, are, then the object follows, and the past participle form of the verb comes next. For example, a lot of coffee is grown in Colombia. A lot of coffee isn't grown in Colombia. Is a lot of coffee grown in Colombia?
In conclusion, a passive sentence contains a to be and a verb 3. Especially in the present simple, the to be is either, is, am, or are,